So Jonathan just finished up our latest Everest edition for a great customer. Kind of a backstory here. The guy bought it for his son, who actually is in the military, and he's in Japan currently, coming back home. So it's going to be a great present, homecoming present for a great customer. Thanks so much for your service. What a beautiful truck too, a 6-inch Superlift with 35, 12.5, 20 Toyo Open Country MT tires on a beautiful iconic silver. Jonathan's one of our newer installers, does a great job. About to go do a test run. So going up 6 inches looks so good. Y'all, look at this coming in here. I want to see what Jonathan's thoughts are about the build overall. My man. Everything turned out okay, Rod?
It's great. Superlift's really good kit. Rides really smooth, really nice. Highly recommend doing it to every Ford, Chevy, Dodge truck you own.
There you go. So Superlift nice 6-inch. This is our Italian stallion of our shop here. He's new with us, but does a great job. Really proud to have him with us. So 6-inch Superlift, fuel Mavericks. You know we love this wheel. It's a tried and true wheel. 20 by 10, -24. So mild to wild scale with a 12.5 wide. You know, we're in that mid-range. We're not -44 on 13.5s. But we're pretty aggressive, but very fitting for a 6-inch kit to go this height in totality. Very proportional. If you are too positive on the offset or even a 9 wide with a non-aggressive tire, you know, you just wouldn't have that overall stance and look that the customer and we like to see on a kit of this size. Then the iconic silver works well with a black and milled wheel. It just flows nicely. You can do an all black wheel as well, but being a sport package, you still have some chrome throughout, and then the silver accents the milling very nicely. Had to get it out in the sunlight also because this iconic silver looks so good, and you can really see that gloss black and milled wheel with that good lip. Probably a, I don't know, 4.5 inch lip, so it's a good proportional as far as lip size. Looks killer. Cool build for a military family, and we're so proud to be a part of their experience. They bought the truck here at Akins and customized it here as well. So come see us for all of your accessory needs and vehicle needs as well, guys. We got great discounts. They got a killer deal on the accessories and of course the truck at your top 8 Ford dealership nationally, Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. We got great people doing installs for us, so integrity is always going to be there with us right here at Willies also, guys. Thanks so much.